Hi, Joe Glavin with City Floor Supply. Just wanted to discuss the Wakol MS-262. This is their sausage adhesive. Well, this is the sausage, the adhesive is in there. This is great for starter boards or starter rows. GlueAssist, so in conjunction with the PU280, if you roll that out, you'll wait 45 minutes to an hour for one coat. Lineal foot wise, you're gonna get about 60 lineal feet of a straight bead at a 1/4 inch wide. I mean, and I would say that's pretty typical. So applicator, just drop it in. One of the really great things about this silane-based adhesive is it comes off your hand really, really easily. It'll wash off. It will also pull right off of a pre-finished floor, particularly one that has a surface film on it, without leaving any kind of a mark or a shadow. And then every case of the MS-262 has tips to it. As you continue to consume the sausage, it pushes that foil pack all the way up, and no waste at all. And then this unscrews. You can even peel it out of there once it dries and reuse the tips. But because the case comes with several tips, you just use a new tip, cut your top, and then you're good to go. So Wakol has the sausages, they have the tubs of adhesive that you see with the blue tops on it, and they also have the PU280, which is the sealer for concrete. This is all available at cityfloorsupply.com, or you can call 1-800-737-1786.